Welcome to third lecture of algebra on real number part 2 surds. In this video, we are going to understand the topic called as conversion of surds. Now, what do we mean by conversion of surds? Well, we have learned two types of surds, that is two forms of surds. One was pure surd and second was mixed surd. So, in this video, we will understand how to convert pure surd into mixed surd and how to convert mixed surd into pure surd. But let us quickly revise once again what were pure surds and what were mixed surd. So these were the two forms of surds. One was pure surd and second was mixed surd. If you remember, children, what was pure surd? A surd in which all the rational factors would be either 1 or minus 1. Such surds are called as pure surd. Let's take an example. The example is of root 3. Next example root 5. Next example minus root 2. Now over here, since there is no rational factor, means there will be 1, and since the rational factor is 1, such surds are called as pure surd. Okay, so this was example of pure surd in which all the rational factors will be 1. Now what would be in case of mixed surd? Whenever surds in which the rational factor are any number other than 1 or minus 1, it can be any number apart from 1 and minus 1, then such surds are called as mixed surd. Let's see an example. The first is 7 cube root of 2. In this, the rational number is 7. Since it is not 1 or minus 1, it is an example of mixed surd. Next is 4 root 5. Once again, the rational factor is 4. It is not 1 or minus 1. The surd is a case of mixed surd. And one more example, it is 5 upon 3 and root 3. Rational part is 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3 is a rational, it's not 1 or minus 1, therefore it is also an example of mixed surd. Now in this particular video, we'll understand how to convert pure surd into mixed surd and also how to convert mixed surd into pure surd. So how do we do that? Let's understand this with the help of few simple and beautiful examples. Okay. So the first topic what we start is convert the following into mixed surd. In this type of question, we'll convert whatever surds they have given into mixed surd. Now you can make a logic. If we have to convert in mixed surd, the given surd should be of what type or what form? It should be of pure surd. मतलब pure surd दिया रहेगा and उसको mixed surd में convert करने का. It's very simple and very easy. Let's see first example. First example is root 27. Let's first check क्या ये pure surd है? Yes, it is pure surd because rational factor मतलब रूट के बाहर कुछ भी नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए, 1 या -1 होना चाहिए. इधर क्या है? 1 है. So it is an example of pure surd. Now pure surd को mixed surd में कैसे convert करने का? It's very simple. Simply we are going to make use of factorize. Okay, like what we have done in simplest form. This is the same sum of what we have done in simplest form. First, we'll try to factorize this radicand. What is radicand in this sum? It is 27. So let us factorize this and find the prime factors. Of course, it will not go into. So we have to start with 3. Now 3 kitnas are? 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are. So whatever the factors of 27 we are getting, we'll write under root. We are getting 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So root 27 can be expressed as 3 into 3 into 3. This was the first step. Okay. Whenever we want to convert any pure surd into mixed surd. Now what is the next step? If you can help me out. Of course we'll make a group of two same number. Why 2? Because the order over here, if it is nothing, it will be 2. So I'll make a group of this 2 number and I'll take 1 3 outside of this. So what I mean, when I take 3 outside, I'll write 3 and whatever the number which group is not formed, that number will be written inside root or radical sign as it is. So what we get the final step, 3 root 3. So can you just guess, this is what type of surd or what form of surd? We have a number other than 1 or minus 1 before root. Whenever we have such case or whenever we have such number 1 or minus 1 के अलावा कुछ भी number है, then such surd is of what type? It is of mixed surd. So the given sum root 27 can be expressed into mixed surd as 3 root 3. Isn't it very simple? Now children, this is already something which we have done in simplest form. Okay, simplest form में surds को कैसे convert करने का? We make use of factorize and we simply find prime factors. We make the same group of 2 and we take such numbers outside the radical sign. So this was pure surd and we have converted that into mixed surd. Let's see one more example. Next example is root of 108. Now in this I want you to guess what should be the order. अगर ये order नहीं दिया है तो of course the order will be 2. अच्छा, before that just also check ये कौन सा फॉर्म ऑफ सर्ड है? इज इट अ प्योर सर्ड और इट इज अ मिक्स्ड सर्ड? इट इज अ प्योर सर्ड. व्हाई इट इज अ प्योर सर्ड? रूट के बाहर क्या नंबर है? कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब क्या होगा? 1 या फिर -1. So how do we do that? Come on, let's start once again by finding the prime factors. So here in this case we need to find the prime factors of 108. So if I start finding the prime factors of 108, we'll start first with number 2. So we'll take this two number together. This two number is 10. 2 how much are 10? 5s are. Next number is 8. 2 how much are 8? 4s are. Once again we shall take with 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. 1 and 4 become 14. 2 how much are 14? 7s are. So we got a number 27. Now it's very clear and fine. 27 तो 2 में नहीं जाएगा. So we make use of next, that is 3. If you observe this very carefully, from this point this is the same first sum only. So that gives me 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are. Okay, so these are the prime factors. So what do we need to do for the next step would be, let's write all these prime factors inside the radical sign, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So if we do that, the next step will be definitely making a group of 2. So let's start making a group of 2 same number. This 2 will form one group and this 2 number will form one group. So I can take 1 2 will come outside and from this group 1 3 will come outside. Okay, and the number which is not forming any group, that will be written inside the radical sign as it is, that is 3. So let's multiply this two number. 2 3s are 6 and the number inside root is 6 root 3. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 6 root 3. So the given surd, that is 108, converts in a form of 6 root 3, and that 6 root 3 is which form of a surd? It is a mixed surd. So this is how we convert any pure surd into mixed surd. Hope it's very simple and easy. It's nothing different, but we just make use of prime factors, just like what we have done while solving the problems of simplest form of surd. So these two were the simple sums. Let's see two more problems based on the same topic, that is how to convert a surd into mixed surd. The next sum is root of 80. So let us start. Root of 80, we'll start with prime factors. 2 4s are 8, 0 as it is. 2 2s are 0 as it is. 2 1s are once again 0 as it is. 2 5s are and 5 1s are. So let's write this all the prime factor inside this root or radical sign. What do we have to write? We'll write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into finally 5. Now we make a group of two same numbers, right? So let's start framing a group. This is first group and this is second group. Now let's take 1 2 outside and 1 more 2 outside from the another group. So what is left inside the radical sign? Only 5, जिसका group नहीं बना है. So what do we get? 2 2s are 4 and root 5 inside radical sign. So square root of 80, which was pure surd, can be written as 4 root of 5, which is a mixed form of a surd. Hope these are very simple and very absolute topic what we have done in case of simplest form. Let's see one last sum in case of how to convert the surd into mixed surd. So the next sum what we have with us is root 50. So once again we'll start with the prime factors of 50. Let's start. So we'll start 2 2s are 1 is left, 1 0 10 2 5s are. Now 25 it goes in 5. So 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So what do we write instead of 50? We can write 50 can be expressed as 2 into 5 into 5. Now let's start framing a number or a group of two same number. 5 and 5 का एक group बनेगा. 1 5 will come outside and जिसका group नहीं बना, that will be inside radical only. So root 50 can be written as 5 root 2. Okay, so this is also very simple sum which explains us कि कैसे any surd को mixed surd में convert करना चाहिए. Okay, hope these four sums are very clear to you, how to convert any surd into mixed surd, which is simply nothing but the conversion or making use of simplest form of surd. Remember one thing children, in this entire topic surds, we are only simply going to use this prime factor का concept in any type of sum. Okay, 99% problems are based on this one concept only, make use of prime factors. So prime factors आ गया तो कुछ hard नहीं है. surd is very easy. So this was one segment. यहाँ तक हमने सीखा था how to convert any प्योर सर्ड इनटू मिक्स्ड सर्ड। अब इसका रिवर्स करते हैं। रिवर्स मतलब क्या? दे विल गिव अस ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सर्ड? मिक्स्ड सर्ड, एंड वी आर सपोज्ड टू कन्वर्ट दैट इन व्हिच फॉर्म? प्योर सर्ड। नाउ प्योर सर्ड में कैसे कन्वर्ट करने का? इट इज आल्सो वेरी सिंपल। ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल। द फर्स्ट सम इज 3√3। Now let us try to understand by the meaning of pure surd। अभी pure surd में convert करने का है, मतलब क्या करने का है? We want a number outside, that is rational factor should be either 1 या फिर -1। Apart from that कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए। If you observe this sum 3√3, root के बाहर what is the number? 3। We don't want this number outside the root, so that is very definite कि ये 3 को, जो भी root के बाहर का number है उसको हटाना पड़ेगा। Now how we can do that? Either we can send this 3 which is outside the root inside the root। मतलब what I am saying is ये 3 को मुझे root के अंदर भेजने का। But how we can do that? Say it's quite simple। What do we do? Suppose can I say ये 3 अगर root के अंदर होता तो 2 बार होता, that is 3 into 3, because 3 3 दोनों same number का एक group बनेगा and 1 3 will come outside। This next root वाला will be as it is। What we need to do is root वाला term ऐसे ही लिखो, and whichever rational factor they have given to us, write that 2 times but inside root। Why 2 times? Because when we make a group and when we take number outside, that number will come only once। Of course it's very simple। See 3 3 क्या होता है? 9। root 9 क्या होता है? 3। We are just writing उसका reverse, उल्टा step। Okay, as we proceed with some sums, we'll keep on understanding exactly what we are doing। Okay, let's understand next step। What we have written first step में 3 को रूट के अंदर 2 बार लिखने का। 3 को रूट के अंदर 2 बार लिखने का। नाउ सिंस वी हैव 2 रूट वाले टर्म्स, एक ये एंड एक ये, लेट्स राइट ऑल दिस इनसाइड ओनली वन रूट, दैट इज 3 3 and 3। 3 into 3 into 3। नाउ सिंपली लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई। 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27। so if you observe this root 27, clearly रूट के बाहर कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, मतलब इट इज व्हाट? इट इज 1। मतलब इट इज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सर्ड? इट इज अ प्योर सर्ड। दिस इज हाउ वी कन्वर्ट एनी सर्ड इन व्हाट फॉर्म? प्योर फॉर्म। इट वाज वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल। लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वंस अगेन। द सम वाज 3√3। मुझे किस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने का है? प्योर सर्ड में। इफ आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट दिस नंबर इनटू प्योर सर्ड, रैशनल नंबर को मुझे रूट के अंदर भेजना है। अब कोई भी नंबर व्हेनेवर वी पुट इनसाइड रूट, it will be written twice। why? because root से बाहर निकल के when we make a जोड़ी we write it once, तो root के अंदर उसको कितने बार लिखना पड़ेगा? 2 बार। it's very simple। तो रिवर्स स्टेप we are doing, root के अंदर डालने का, 2 बार लिखने का। very simple। 2 रहता तो root के अंदर 2 बार 2, 5 रहता तो root के अंदर 2 बार 5, 7 रहता तो root के अंदर 2 बार 7, here it is 3, root के अंदर 2 बार 3। and root वाला टर्म, that is irrational factor, बाजू वाला जो सम में दिया है, right as it is till last step। Once you get all the root wale terms, let's write all the numbers in one root only, inside one root only, and simply multiply। We get the answer root 27। If you remember, this was the exact first sum what we have studied to convert any surd into mixed surd। root 27 का आंसर क्या आया था? 3√3, and 3√3 का देखो आंसर क्या आया है? root 27। Let's try to understand this concept in a more better way with the help of another example। The next example is 6√2। now I want you all to focus very clearly। it's very simple। let's understand। 6√2 is the surd। कौन सा surd है 6√2? रूट के बाहर अगर 1 या -1 के अलावा कोई भी नंबर है, मतलब वो कौन सा surd है? वो मिक्स्ड सर्ड है। मुझे किसमें कन्वर्ट करना है? प्योर सर्ड में। कैसे कर सकते हैं? जो भी रूट के बाहर का नंबर है उसको रूट के अंदर भेजने का। अब वो कैसे करने का? जस्ट राइट दिस रूट वाला टर्म एज इट इज। रूट 2 को ऐसे लिखो। जो भी रूट के बाहर वाला टर्म है, दैट इज रैशनल फैक्टर, राइट दैट 2 टाइम्स इनसाइड रूट। फाइन, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप। रूट के अंदर जाके कितनी बार लिखने का? 2 बार। क्यों 2 बार? बिकॉज रूट के बाहर आके वी राइट इट वंस, तो रूट के अंदर इट विल बी ट्वाइस। ओके, मतलब रूट 6 इंटू रूट 6 विल गिव मी ओनली 6। दैट इज 6 को मैंने क्या लिखा? रूट 6 इंटू रूट 6। Next step, the moment we get this, what we can do is, let's try to write all this number inside one single root, that is 6 into 6 into 2. Now simply multiply this. 6 6s are 36 and 36 2s are will give me something. 36 2s are, let's multiply, will give me 72. How do we get 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So we get the answer root 72. So last step should be, therefore 6 root 2 जो mixed surd था can be written as root 72. Okay, so this is how we convert any surd into a form of pure surd. Okay, these two examples were quite easy. Let's see more two examples, couple of problems which will help us वापस mixed surd से pure surd में कैसे convert करने का. Once again remember students, we just simply have to tackle this number which is outside root. The next sum is 4 root 5. If you remember ये sum भी किया है हमने when we have done how to convert a given problem from mixed pure surd से mixed surd. Let's see उसका exact उल्टा. 4 root 5 को मेरे को pure surd में convert करने का, मतलब what do I have to do, ये 4 को root के अंदर भेजने का. तो कैसे भेजना चाहिए वापस, राइट दिस रूट वाला टर्म एज इट इज जो भी दिया है. फाइन. नेक्स्ट ये 4 को रूट के अंदर लिखने का, कितनी बार लिखने का, 2 बार. वापस मैं पूछ रहा हूँ क्यों 2 बार लिखने का, बिकॉज जब जोड़ी बनेगा विल गेट 1 4 आउटसाइड एंड उसका रिवर्स स्टेप व्हेनेवर 4 गो इनसाइड रूट इट विल बी रिटन ट्वाइस. होप नाउ इट्स वेरी क्लियर आफ्टर 3 सम्स. नाउ व्हाट डू वी डू नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, लेट्स टेक ऑल दिस नंबर इनसाइड वन रूट, दैट इज 4 into 4 into 5. And let's simply multiply. 4 4s are 16 and 16 5s are gives me a number 80. So the last answer would be, the given sum was 4 root 5 and the answer for that is pure surd में उसका answer is root 80. Okay, and now let's see the last sum to understand this concept in more good way. The last sum is 5 root 2. अब 5 root 2 mixed surd है, मुझे किसमें कन्वर्ट करने का है, प्योर सर्ड में. वंस अगेन टेल मी विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑल दिस 3 प्रॉब्लम्स जो अब तक हम लोग ने की है, मेक यूज ऑफ दिस एंड टेल मी हाउ डू वी डू दैट. 5 रूट 2 में 5 को मुझे रूट के अंदर भेजने का, तो रूट के अंदर भेजने का मतलब उसको रूट के अंदर कितनी बार लिखना पड़ेगा, 2 टाइम्स. सो व्हाट डू आई डू, फर्स्ट लेट्स राइट दिस रूट 2 एज इट इज एंड 5 को जब मैं रूट के अंदर भेजूंगा, सो विल राइट दिस inside root 2 times. We'll write that inside root 2 times. So this 5 can go inside root 5 into 5 and root 2 as it is. Next step में let's write all this number in one single root, that is 5 into 5 into 2. So what do we get बच्चे लोग, 5 5s are 25 and 25 2s are gives me answer 50. So the last answer would be, therefore 5 root 2 is equal to root 50, and this is how we convert any surd into a form of pure surd. So we have learned in this video how to convert any given surd from pure surd to mixed surd and any surd from mixed surd to pure surd. For pure to mixed, it's very simple, make use of what, factorize, and from mixed to pure it's once again simple step, we have to go in a reverse way. जो भी रूट के बाहर नंबर है उसको रूट के अंदर 2 बार लिखने का. आई रिपीट, जो भी नंबर रूट के बाहर है दैट इज रैशनल फैक्टर, उसको रूट के अंदर 2 बार लिखने का. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, कलेक्ट ऑल द टर्म्स इनसाइड द रूट इन वन सिंगल रूट and you will get the final answer in a form of what surd, pure surd. So this was the video on the conversion from mixed to pure surd and pure surd to mixed surd. Hope you understand. Thank you.